Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to create simple do-to lists including tasks, also including status column. Now, if our task is completed, we simply drop down the done. And it will automatically use strike through and highlight. Now, if we change to in progress, it again changes its formatting. We have used single simple formula and single data validation function. You can also type here done. This is what we will learn in this example using simple 3 functions. But before that, your kind support required to subscribe our channel. Let's start our example of how to create simple to-do lists. So first we can use here status manually, like done. But manually typically each time takes efforts, like typing on each task completed. So we use trick and select whole data column. Now go on Data tab and click on Data Validation function. Now click on List option. Now type here our required options. We use 2 options, done or in progress. Now, we only need to drag down tab to use option. This is how data validation function is very helpful for us. After completing drop-down feature, we move to second function. First, we select whole task column. Go on Home tab for conditional formatting. Click on New Rule option. We need to create new formula. Now, first type here equals to then click on status cell. Now, remove second $sign. Now, type desired status using equals to. Now, we need to select desired formatting. Click on Strike Through. Make bold and italic. Now, select color using Fill option. Now, click on OK. Now, test our function. This is how we have used conditional formatting. We only need to choose Done for formatting. Similarly, we have got task completed with strike through feature.